Right, welcome back. Today I'm going to be fitting the Progressive Motorsport drink system. It is it's a simple system. Basically it's a motor pump pumping fluid from a SIG bottle. However, it's all food grade. It's used by all the top teams, all the Le Mans teams, factory teams throughout the world. It's from Progressive Motorsport, and I'm going to be fitting that, or refitting it, as it's been away for a service. Here we go then. This is a 3-driver system, so it's designed for obviously endurance racing with multi-drivers. And the 3 bottles, obviously 1 bottle per driver. SIG aluminium bottles, and then they have the dry brake tops on them. They're changed. From Progressive, you do get the original SIG bottle lids as well. Now that's all part of the cleaning kit and the pinning kit for the electrics, which I've already got. Like I say, this has been away for a service. Those with kids will know about Milton tablets to keep it sterilised. That's very handy. So 3 bottles, 1, 2, 3. This is the actual unit itself, with the pump in the bottom. So this plug here for the electrics, and then this one here for the drink tubing itself. And obviously, with it being a 3-driver kit, we've then got the tubes for the 3 drivers themselves, which go like that. So to put it, to explain it a bit better, this tube here, the long tube, plugs into the unit, and then you can route that around the car how you see fit. And then at this end, the one-way valve there to stop your drinks going back, at this end is where each driver will then plug in from their helmet into the universal, if you like, bit of tubing. And that's the bit we need to add on for where the drivers plug in. So the unit itself obviously gets mounted within the car. Got 4 mounting holes at the rear. I'll show you how I've done that in my car shortly. As I said earlier, we've got the plug for the electrics, which I already have fitted, and then the dry brake for the drinks hose. Got a bottle in. It's advisable to always keep a bottle in the system. That's what Progressive Motorsport advise. So we always keep a bottle in the shroud. And then to change it, to release it, you just press the button here, and it releases the dry brake and out it slides. Having a look down, I'm not sure if you can see in there. It's just the dry brake at the very bottom. So you release the bottle and put one back in, line it up, slide it in, wait for the click, and it'll rotate, no problem. Fantastic bit of kit, and it weighs nothing. Weighs absolutely nothing. So no penalty there, obviously, unless you've got a bottle full of fluids. Okay, I'll show you how I've got it mounted in my car. So on my car, it's obviously left-hand drive, so driver changes will take place this side. So I've mounted my bottle in the rear here onto the cage, using, believe it or not, a little bit of drain pipe clips, a little bit of aluminium, and then the bottle just bolts to that aluminium. As you can see, the wiring's already in place here from previously, and because it's been away for a service, I've got new tubing which you just need to run up, and I'll run it along the harness, and then the helmet kit can just simply clip in. So there we go, that's it, bolted in, mounted, with the plug fitted as well, which routes round to a momentary switch which is in grasp of the driver. Press the switch, get a drink. Super. Right, all fitted. All I'm left to do is I've plugged in the tubing now. So that's just a spring-loaded dry brake on there, simply enough. Just push in clips. I need to finalise the routing of the tubing, which you've just got coming up now at the minute, and then running over the harness, to the left-hand harness. So if we just whip round to the front. So on this harness here, I've got the radio connector coming through and the drink system and about 500 cable ties, which I'll obviously reduce. So come the change, you got this tube which is attached to the driver's helmet. So this end is pokes through into the mouth, and then you got the dry brake at this end. So come the driver change, out you pop, jump back in, and it's just simply a case of plugging that into there. Job done. I do it, I'm trying to do it one-handed. Give us a second. Okay, so you just take the connection from the driver's side on the helmet and simply plug it in. So simply. There we go. That's it, job done. Release it, press the button again, and out you get. Hope that came out because I've got this camera balanced on the seat.